Sounds good to me. We'll see if we can do it. Drop down a bit, mate. Barrier there. Just behind the barrel now, is it? Or was it further across? Where's the barrier gone? Is it further down? No, oh yeah, there it's to the right. So that's where I'll hit for, the right hand side. So I'll go up a bit. Wait till it go out. Oh, 2, nice. Yeah, I can get. I'm going to try and make to the barrier just in front of the right of the thing in a minute. Smokes are out. Are we ready? Fancy again with some lay down cover. Go! Oh, sorry, mate. Me and you. Down. Nice. Sorry, mate. How far out? I see him. Is he down? Got him. Issue is the cup. Guys, I'm at the barrier by myself now.
Aye, up to your 3 o'clock.
Hit! Rusty back in from spawn 2. Head with you, Scotty. Barrel still up. Smoke out. Got him.